How do we process what we perceive by the senses? Do you know how the nervous system works? All animals and humans obtain information from their environment through sensory receptors, structures that detect changes in the environment. We use the nervous system to transform, integrate, and process the information we receive from the environment. Our nervous system is capable of processing the information it receives from the environment, thanks to the fact that it has some 86 billion neurons that act in concert. Neurons are the functional units of the nervous system. Some marine organisms such as hydra, sea anemones, jellyfish, and corals have a simple nervous system, structurally and functionally. The nervous system of these organisms lack a defined brain, but they have nervous tissue capable of processing information to respond to stimuli. Mammals, including humans, have more sophisticated nervous systems that can generate elementary involuntary behaviors such as breathing or walking, as well as complex and voluntary tasks such as solving problems, recognizing emotions, articulating, and language. The mammalian and human nervous systems are subdivided into the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is made up of the brain and spinal cord. The spinal cord is responsible for conveying information to and from the brain. It also serves as a center of reflex activity. The peripheral nervous system is riding on a network of nerves that conducts the flow of information between the central nervous system and other parts of the body. The nerves are formed by the union of many axons of neurons, which can be very extensive and measure several meters in length. A neuron is made up of numerous dendrites, a cell body, an axon, and synaptic terminals. There are three types of neurons: sensory neurons, motor neurons, and so-called interneurons. Sensory neurons carry information from the sense organ to the central nervous system. Motor neurons control movement by connecting the central nervous system with muscles. Interneurons are found in regions of the central nervous system and mediate communication between sensory and motor neurons. The region where one neuron comes into contact with another is called a synapse. Here the information is transmitted from one neuron to another. As it travels within the neuron, the information is electrically encoded, electrical impulse, to jump to the next neuron. It needs to be transformed into chemical information, neurotransmitters.